What's up, everybody? I'm starting a new series. It's going to be called Reels and Thrills. And today I've got a guest angler on the boat with me. My brother, Dr. J.
Guest, I resemble that remark. Calling me a guest.
First thing we got to do is get through this narrow ass opening. And I'm telling you, it's open, narrow. So Anthony, you want to get up here on the right?
Yeah, give me a second.
Got a side wind. Don't do anything, just let me guide it through unless I get close. Oh yeah, they're everywhere. Well, it depends if I can get us around here or not. Golden. You're all hooked back up. Oh, what the hell? Oh.
What do you say?
Boop. Bloop. Nothing? No bite? All right. Let's fish that grass side for a minute.
Okay.
Okay, this one's ready for you.
You know why this bail keeps catching?
Yep.
This full thing?
Yep. Because I fell on it.
Oh, so long.
Yeah, here, I'll take it back. I'm used to it. Yeah, you can see it bent it.
Yeah.
All right.
You see it's catching up here.
Oh, when you open it?
No, when you...
Oh, you're in the mangroves again.
Reeling just fine.
There it is.
Got a hold of it.
There it is. All right, you head to the back. Yeah, you have to set it on the down like that for this one because I screwed it up.
Got it.
Oh, somebody bit you. Bit your tail off. All right, let's head over. Let me get some slack in it. Let's head over to the other side. That off and go, go, go. God, this current is moving. Love it. Exactly what you want for reds. All right, get your shrimp on. Now you just start pitching it to the shore there. Let's see if anything's over on this side. You got a pinfish. Woohoo! Nice. Nice little pinfish.
Dude, where's my shrimp?
Now let's keep him. I'll use him for cut bait. He's a keeper.
What do you want to do with him?
Put him in this fish tank.
Huh.
I'll use him the next time as cut bait. You need my pliers? There you go. Just leave your rod in there. And de-hook him. Shoot, that's good bait. chop him up and put him on my hook on this next instead of a shrimp. Perfect. Thank you.
That's it, fish.
Only a little bit. And I'll take the pliers and then I'll get you another shrimp. Let's see where my bait is. I've lost it. I lost it. God, this is amazingly beautiful out here. Now it's back on. Missed the whole encounter. Hate GoPro.